If you have ever struggled with data quality in Monday.com or notice that less technical users avoid filling out boards properly, this small feature can make a big difference. Today, I want to show you a simple way to improve data capture and user adoption using cards for item creation. This feature is especially helpful for boards with many columns where users normally have to scroll horizontally to enter information. It reduces friction, makes item creation more intuitive, and helps teams actually fill out the data they need. On boards like Social Media Planner or Content Calendar, there is often a lot of information to capture. When creating a new item the traditional way, users type the item name and move from left to right across the board, filling in columns one by one. For many users, especially those who are not very Monday savvy, this can feel overwhelming or tedious. As a result, items get created with missing or incomplete data. Monday now gives you the option to use cards for item creation. To enable this, go into your board setting and turn on the option called Use Card for Item Creation. Once enabled, every time a user creates a new item, a card style pop-up appears. This card displays all the board columns in a clean vertical layout and making it much easier to navigate and complete. Users can focus on entering the information without scrolling across the board. This feature is completely optional, but in the right use cases, it can significantly improve adoption and data consistency. It works especially well for intake-style boards, content planning boards, CRM or request workflows, and boards with many required fields. It gives end users a familiar form-like experience while still creating items directly on the board. Small features like this often make a difference in how well teams actually use Monday.com. If you want more tips like this, subscribe for more Monday.com tutorials. And if you want help designing workflows that are easy for your team to adopt, click the link below to schedule a free discovery call. Thanks for watching.